Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve a super subtle, natural makeup look that's perfect for work or school. It's quick, easy, and gives you that fresh, awake look without going overboard. If you're someone who prefers a more minimalist approach, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Before we begin, make sure your skin is clean and moisturized. This will help your makeup go on smoothly and last longer. If you have a little extra time, I'd recommend applying a sunscreen as well. First up, we're starting with a light base. I'm using a tinted moisturizer because it's light, hydrating, and gives a very natural finish. You could also use a lightweight foundation if you prefer more coverage. Just apply a small amount and blend it evenly into your skin with your fingers or a makeup sponge. Next, let's brighten up those under-eye circles and cover any blemishes with a light layer of concealer. Don't overdo it. Just a dab where you need it will do the trick. Tap it in gently with your finger or a sponge to make sure it blends seamlessly into your skin. Now let's move on to brows. For a natural look, I prefer using a brow pencil or powder that's a shade or two lighter than my natural brow color. Simply fill in any sparse areas and brush them out with a spoolie to keep everything looking soft and natural. For the eyes, we're keeping it simple with neutral shades. I'm using a soft matte brown on my eyelids to add some definition. It's subtle, but still makes your eyes pop. You can apply this all over the lid, or just in the crease for a little dimension. Now let's add a bit of mascara to open up the eyes. Apply just one coat to your upper lashes to make them look more defined and awake. No need to go overboard. Remember, this is a subtle look, so one coat is perfect. To add a healthy flush, I'm using a soft pink blush. Apply it lightly to the apples of your cheeks and blend it upwards. This will give you a natural, fresh look without it being too bold. To finish off the look, I'm going for a nude lip gloss that gives a bit of shine and keeps it natural. If you prefer lipstick, a soft nude shade works just as well. Keep it simple and subtle for a fresh and polished finish. And there you have it, your subtle, fresh makeup look for work or school. It's quick, easy, and perfect for those days when you want to look put together but not too made up. You can always add a little more mascara or blush if you're feeling like it, but this is the perfect base to start with. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and easy makeup looks. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you next time and have a wonderful day.